Tired of those annoying spam calls and weird messages? Today, I'll show you how to block spam calls and messages on your phone, quick and easy. So, let's jump right in. First, open call logs in your phone. On the upper right, click dots, then tap on Settings. In the blocked number sections, click on that. As you can see, these are the blocked numbers in my phone. So to totally block all the incoming spams, messages, and calls, just enable this at the top. By doing that, you won't receive calls or texts from blocked numbers. Alright? So that's simply how to block spam calls and messages. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.